We're going on a hike today and feeling like a superhero with the help of our new waterproof hiking backpack that comes complete with a detachable cape, or rest station, whatever you'd like to call it. It comes shipped to your door with everything you need to get your hike on. Inside the box, you have your hiking backpack, as well as your manual, and that's it. Now this travel case is really cool because it's actually one of the backpack's pockets. Unzip the bag and unfold your backpack. Pull the zipper pocket around to the other side and zip it closed to make the front pocket of your backpack. And now, your travel bag is now transformed into a cool little hiking backpack. On the front side of your backpack, you have an extra storage pocket, and then a big zipper storage pocket that comes complete with a laptop sleeve. Then if you flip the backpack around, it has an inner pocket. Unzip this, and you can find your rest station. It has a strong Velcro strip on the top and attaches to the back of the backpack. You can wear this down or store it away for when you need it. Then the front buckle comes with a handy little whistle. Now I can use my backpack to summon my husky, because it's time to go on a hike and test out our new backpack. I set up the backpack, then gathered all my essentials for the woods. I then loaded the backpack down and even used the handy loops on the front of the bag to attach some extra things like a machete. Then I attached my superhero cape to protect me from the woods. Sized up the backpack, buckled the front strap, and we were ready to go. My husky and I hit the woods and went on a hike. Even loaded down, the backpack fit snugly and was comfortable to wear around the waist and back. If I would have worn a t-shirt, it would have been perfect, but the edges of the shoulder straps are a bit rough. Not too bad, but after extended use, I could feel it on the shoulders a bit. Again, if I had a t-shirt, I wouldn't have even noticed. That being said, it was really cool to be able to pop a squat anywhere and not have to worry about mud butt or bugs crawling on me through the grass. Just sit down where you need, and the rest area has your back and butt covered. I even took a minute to lay out on the mat. I used the bottom of the backpack as a pillow and rested out on the grass and did some cloud watching. Since this is waterproof, this is going to be so useful out here in the winter. I'll have an area to keep all my things dry and out of the snow. The bag will keep my items safe and stored for when I need them. And the rest area will allow me to lay out tools and stuff that I need while I'm working in the woods or on a hike. This backpack is affordable, it's lightweight, it fits snugly like a hiking backpack should, it collapses upon itself and stores away nicely. And it even has a whistle. So if you're looking to get into hiking and want a nice entry bag to take with you, this one might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go on another hike with my cool new backpack and superhero cape. See ya!